Bullish on Bitcoin. Arthur Hayes anticipates a six-figure surge. Arthur Hayes is a voice in the financial world that captures attention. The former CEO of BitMEX, a leading cryptocurrency derivatives exchange, has always been unapologetically vocal about his predictions. His latest assertion is no different and has set the crypto community abuzz. Last week, Hayes took to Impact Theory with Tom Bilyeu, forecasting Bitcoin's price trajectory. He predicted that by 2026, Bitcoin's value could reach a staggering $750,000 to $1 million.
So everybody's been watching Sam Bankman-Fried trial because it's coming, it's finally coming around. And we've also got this new book from Michael Lewis out on the whole story. But I think in the actual digital asset world, what we've been seeing influencing more around the Bitcoin price is, there is really interesting news around who's coming into the market. And we've seen some really big players such as BlackRock, one of the biggest asset managers in the world, filing for a spot Bitcoin ETF. And ETF structures are regulated. So this means there's going to be more rigorous oversight into wrapping this asset class into an investment solution. And so it's bringing in a lot of credibility as well as the institutional rigor that BlackRock has behind it. With the uncertainty in the economy, this is one of kind of the advantages an asset class like Bitcoin has, because it is seen as a store of value, which means it's not correlated to traditional asset classes because it has so many different macro drivers around what moves the Bitcoin price. So it should help Bitcoin price as as a alternative asset class. But in addition to being a store of value, Bitcoin is also a disruptive technology. So as we've seen with AI, people are hopeful that this technology will bring new productivity and innovation in ways that we haven't considered before.
The bull before the storm. I absolutely agree that there is going to be a major financial crisis, probably as bad or worse than the Great Depression, sometime near the end of the decade, Hayes stated. But before that dark cloud emerges, he sees silver linings. We're going to have, I think, the largest bull market in stocks, real estate, crypto, art, you name it, that we've ever seen since World War II. Hayes isn't just tossing out these statements without reason. He attributes the potential boom and subsequent bust to the almost knee-jerk reaction of the U.S. government. Over the years, the government's intervention, especially during economic downturns, has been a double-edged sword. While they swoop in as a savior, Hayes asserts that this frequently does more harm than good. We all have collectively agreed that the government is there essentially to attempt to remove the business cycle. So, every time we've had a financial crisis over the past 80 years, the government rushes in, destroying some part of the free market to save the system. Bitcoin's six-figure catalyst. But what exactly fuels Hayes' belief in Bitcoin's spectacular rise? Mounting debt and spiraling inflation. Hayes sees the government's increasing debt, combined with the need to roll it over and diminishing productivity, as potential problems. To address these, the government's instinct is often to print more money. Initially, this might push bull markets in stocks, crypto, and real estate, but such actions have consequences, primarily high inflation. In the first instance, it creates a massive bull market in stocks, crypto, real estate, but after that, we're going to find out that the government can't save everything. The inevitable crash. Hayes' prediction isn't all rosy. He anticipates a massive top around 2026, with a following economic downfall reminiscent of the Great Depression. Time will tell if Hayes' forecast proves accurate, but one thing is clear. In an ever-changing financial landscape, such voices, whether alarmist or insightful, drive conversations and shape perceptions. And for now, all eyes are on Bitcoin's journey to the possible six-figure mark. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.